Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your domain email for business using Google Workspace, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore your domain email for business using Google Workspace, begin by signing into your Google admin console at admin.google.com. Use your admin credentials to log in. Once logged in, navigate to the users section on the left sidebar. Here, you will see a list of all the users in your organization. Identify the user account associated with the email you want to restore. Click on the user's name to access their account settings. In the user account page, look for the User Information section. Under User Information, locate the email settings. If the email is suspended or deleted, you will see an option to restore the account. Click on the option to restore or reactivate the user. Follow any prompts that appear on the screen to confirm the restoration. Once the account is restored, it may take a few minutes for the changes to take effect. Next, go back to the Users section to check if the user is active and the email is functional. If necessary, verify that the email settings are correctly configured for the domain. Test the email by sending a message to the restored account. If you receive the email successfully, the restoration is complete. Finally, inform the user that their account has been restored and they can now access their email again. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.